நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
We have to be one and all and one together. Only then we can fight with the illness and bring out wellness to every member, not only of our own country.
Don't try to reform everyone around us. Let us try to change ourselves. We have complete power over ourselves, our thoughts, the words we speak, and the actions. So don't try to say that I'm going to change. They will change by themselves.
Be free from fear. Be free from egoism. Be free from jealousy.
So Avai said, "Ariyadu ketkin nadiyadu velu, aridu maanilarai pirattal aridu." If you ask me what is the rarest of the rarest of the rarest is being born as a human being.
You are not a bony animal, you are a brainy. And we talk so much about our brain power. Fruits are the only one which will give you the brain power because it is not taking the other energy for digestion. जीवन में फल पाने के लिए फल प्रयोग करो.
The mind is so powerful, so vast. If we think that heavens and the earth is big, the mind can conquer the heaven and go much beyond and see what is beyond that. That is the power your mind has.
That our forefathers, when they were working in the field, they were more healthier. They never had any diabetes problem. They never had any indigestion problem. They never had any joint pains problem. The reason is when they were walking bare feet and working in the field, the pressure points were already being done. While walking bare feet, they used to get the pressure points activated.
Wellness is basically a preventive aspect. It is not something when we get disease we think of wellness.
Wow, 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 wow. I love my world of wellness. I create my world of wellness. I celebrate my world of wellness. Wow, 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 wow.
Every creation is with a purpose. And nothing is created for nothing. Only thing is we may not know, we may not yet understand the purpose of so many countless species being created. And the moment we attempt to disturb that balance, harmony, due to our greed or ignorance, we are punished by nature. That is what is happening in many parts of the world. Man's greed, ego, arrogance. We have seen acts of terrorism, acts of war, conflicts. It is said 100 million people were killed in the last century due to wars and conflicts fought in the name of the defense of God, religion, and peace. And countless more women and children were rendered orphans. That is when the wars were fought first with stones, then sticks, and spears, and arrows, and bows, and towards the end of last century with some gunpowder. Today, any such war, because thanks to the 30,000 nuclear weapons officially admitted, a war that may result in a nuclear war will mean total annihilation of not only humanity, but all that has been created by the divine. Because even if the few of the nuclear bombs were to explode, millions and millions will perish. 2 atom bombs dropped at Nagasaki, Hiroshima. They were not sophisticated. They were dropped to bring the Second World War to conclusion. 200,000 people died immediately. And even after generations, children are born with defects. That is, it affects the gene itself. But today's nuclear weapons are hundreds of times more destructive than those two bombs dropped. And there are 30,000 of them. They are being made in the name of defense. It serves no purpose excepting the ego and greed and arrogance of the powers to show that we also can destroy life. No country can afford to use any nuclear weapons because they will be wiped out by the second attack. And what is unfortunate is even the countries where still hundreds of thousands of dying every day out of hunger or preventable curable diseases, those countries are also diverting their scarce resources to put up to increase their killing power, weapons of mass destruction. Now, because of all these nuclear explosions and tests, and also exploitation of natural resources, digging deep into the bowels of the Mother Earth, we have disturbed the balance. So that is the consequence of the tsunamis and earthquakes and unimaginable things which we have read only in epics, pralaya. Now the same way everything outside is created to be in perfect harmony, the divine has created human being in a perfect condition. All systems